What you doing, Jacob?
What am I doing?
Is it raining on you?
Yeah.
Do you want to come in now?
No.
Let me see your face. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
My shoes are getting clean.
Your shoes are getting clean. I'm sure they are. Dad, you want to come in?
I want my shoes to get clean. I want to be in the rain for a little while.
What do you want?
I want to be in the rain.
You want to be in the rain?
Let me see if the camper's doing well. Whoa!
Are you ready to come in?
No, Kim, take a video of me.
I am taking a video of you. I was already doing that.
Keep doing it.
Okay.
Are you doing a video?
I am.
That was the way. Rain, go away. Jacob was still playing away.
Okay, Jacob, ready to come in now?
Nope.
You're soaking wet,
I don't want to go now.
but you're all wet.
I love to be in rain. I would love to be in rain. I'm not cool. I'm not cool. Oh, what would you do if you weren't cold in the rain?
I would probably get out of the rain and dry my clothes. Okay, it's time to come in.
No.
Time to come in.
No.
Jacob.
I'm not cool.
Are you afraid to get wet? Is it wet? You're already wet.
Can we go?
Jacob, there's steam coming off of you.
What's this?
There's steam coming off your clothes. Come here. Wait, no, stay there. I want to see if I can video it. That's really funny. Wait, be still. There's our steam coming off of you. Wait, be still.
It's slowing down. That means it's starting to start raining.
There's steam coming off of you. Okay, are we all done playing in the rain?
No. This is the rain tractor. It likes rain.
Like Jacob?
Yeah.
Does Jacob like rain like the tractor?
Yeah. Why are the wheels not moving?
I don't know.
Maybe because it's raining out, and maybe when the rain stuff don't move. there might be rain inside. Well, the tractor is broken. Well.
Okay, Jacob, come in. Time to get dried in new clothes. Come on. All done.